में कहा नहीं है कि कब हम इसको, तो इसको वो तुरंत ही करने जा रहे हैं।
देखिए देखिए, ये क्या है ना प्रणेश, तारिक जी हो गए एंड हरीश जी हो गए एंड निखिल जी, these three, the problem is with their intention. They want to entangle you in different arguments. The fact of the matter is none of them want any legal legacy issue to ever be solved. For 3 decades, Nikhil was saying, we brought in this. They succumbed under pressure of Mulayam Singh Yadav and Lalu Prasad Yadav. This bill couldn't see the light of the day. Tariq ji यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं. You remember what Mulayam Singh Yadav said about it? He said on the floor of the house, ये लड़के लोग बहुत सीटी बजाएंगे इसके बाद. They will start whistling if women are elected here. Then on 9th November 2012 in Barabanki in a rally he said, जो गरीब है वो इतने अट्रैक्टिव नहीं होती, वो आ जाएंगे, वो नहीं आ पाएंगी, जो अट्रैक्टिव होती वो आ पाएंगी. सेक्सिस्ट मिसोजिनिस्ट रिमार्क्स दिए हुए हैं इन लोगों ने, और आज ये बड़े चैंपियंस बन रहे हैं वुमेन रिजर्वेशन के. ये आपको कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन समझा रहे हैं, सेंसस पहले कर लो, डिलिमिटेशन कर लो. What Harish just said, you think if all of this happens, 2034 you will not have this women reservation before 2034, and by his logic, do you think he will gain politically also? As per MK Stalin, they will not gain politically. So what they're doing is, this is just a charade to make sure this is delayed, put in the cold storage, just as they've put every single issue of this country, from citizenship to everything, in the cold storage. That is what their politics is centered around.
On the question of political gains, Nikhil, you think if the Congress were to back the bill, it would help Narendra Modi politically?
See, Pranesh, I tweeted this yesterday. The entire point is the Prime Minister very clearly knows he'll not be able to get the numbers to pass this bill that requires a 2/3 majority, because he is now linked with delimitation.
No, 1 minute. That's not my question. My question is, you've been saying that the Congress is the karta dharta of women's reservation. और सही बात है, आपने ही लाया. Now, yes. Do you think if you were to support the Modi government's bill, will it help BJP politically?
Pranesh, the whole point is, the whole argument that all the panelists from the opposition are giving on your show is, this is not a women reservation bill. This is essentially a delimitation bill in the garb of a women reservation bill. You delink delimitation from it, and every opposition party is going to support it, like they did in 2023. Okay. Congress has said it.
Okay, wonderful, Nikhil, wonderful. If you delink delimitation from this, that means that you do this on 543 seats, right? When did we have 543 seats? When was it frozen? Tell me.
So far as I remember, it was around 1970s or 80s. But
very
that's
good.
Irrelevant.
Very good. It was, yes, frozen during the emergency. अब आप ये बताइए मुझे, from 70s to 2026, the Congress could not, get time, muster courage, get numbers to pass the bill. If you really wanted to do this on 543, why didn't you do it? Rajiv Gandhi had 400 seats in Lok Sabha?
The BJP could have supported it. In 1996, the BJP votes against
1 minute. When Rajiv Gandhi had 400 seats, you did not need the BJP to support it.
He did not have a 2/3 majority in the Rajya Sabha, number one. Number two, those were different times. You can't keep on going back to what happened 40 years ago, 80 years ago. Why did Narendra Modi not become the Prime Minister in 1980s? Let's not go with this absolute ridiculous line of government. There was a Janata Party government between 77 to 80. Why did they not bring it? Why did the BJP not bring it during Atal Bihari Vajpayee? Why did the BJP not bring it between 2014 to 2023?
Listen, I'll tell you what. You're the frustration. I can understand your frustration because of all the objections that the Congress has raised. None of them, stand the scrutiny. 1 minute. Now, Karan, you see, Nikhil has no answers on that question कि 543 पे करना है तो इतने दिन क्यों रुके. जो दूसरा सवाल है, Priyanka Gandhi said we have a problem with the panel. That how can this be an executive decision? Amit Shah said आपने भी यही किया था. We are following the same panel.
So not a single word, as Amit Shah ji rightly said, from the Delimitation Commission Act was changed. Now, my simple question to Tariq ji, Nikhil and Harish is, if given the current scenario, what the government has put forward, the 50% formula, nobody's proportional representation goes down, women get reservation, how is it harming anyone's interest? Tell me one interest of anyone that is being harmed. Isn't it a win-win situation? Just stick to this point. We are not linking it to any census as of now. We are just saying 50% increase in proportional representation of all states, and women get those seats, as in the 33%. How is it affecting anyone anyhow? Just tell me one valid point here.
Then when we will have a census, when will we will have census data? When? Means any clue कब तक हमें डेटा मिल जाएगा सेंसस का? 2040, 50, 60, 70 या 2080 तक कब तक मिलेगा? कुछ उम्मीद है? बताइए।
वो बहुत अच्छा सवाल है आपका। सेंसस होना चाहिए, जल्दी से जल्दी होना चाहिए, बट मैं इसकी बात कर रहा हूं। इस समय अगर ये होता है, इससे क्या
होता होने को तो बहुत कुछ हो सकता है ना, लेकिन मैं कह रहा हूं जब आप
आंसर नहीं कर रहे हैं।
नहीं, आपने ही कहा
करंट सिनेरियो इफ 50% be raised, how is any states, any interest being harmed, any current MP, anything being harmed?
Because you don't have data. आप SIR करा रहे हो क्योंकि इलेक्शन की
जरूरत ही
डेटा
नहीं
हो जाए।
वो बोल रहे हैं अगर अभी 50% अगर बढ़ा दें, सबका तो इक्वली बढ़ेगा ना।
मैं एक एग्जांपल देता हूं आपको, मैं
आपको दे देता हूं एग्जांपल।
जब आप ओबीसी और बैकवर्ड का आरक्षण करते हैं तो कोर्ट्स डायरेक्टली कहता है कि बिना डेटा के किसी तरीके का कोई भी रिजर्वेशन आप करिएगा नहीं, प्राविधान नहीं करिए।
कोर्ट्स और कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन तो ये भी कहता है कि मुस्लिम कोटा नहीं होना चाहिए।
अब वो
कांग्रेस देखिए, कांग्रेस मानती है, आपकी पार्टी मानती है, नहीं मानती है। अच्छा, मैं आपसे एक फंडामेंटल क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूं।
एक मैं फंडामेंटल क्वेश्चन पूछ लेता हूं। 74 में आपने कहा कि फ्रीज किया गया था और कांग्रेस उस टाइम चाहती तो कर लेती। 2001 में अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी ने भी डिलिमिटेशन उसको फ्रीज किया, जो नंबर ऑफ सीट्स हैं उसको 81
आगे बढ़ा दिया,
82 आगे बढ़ा दिया 25 साल के लिए। क्या इंटेंशन था?
तो मैं वही कह रहा हूं कि कांग्रेस को और ऑपोजिशन को मिलके बीजेपी को एक्सपोज कर देना चाहिए कि ये देखिए बीजेपी ने नहीं किया लेकिन हमने कर दिया। लेकिन आप तो अपने आप को एक्सपोज कर रहे हैं।
456 में से जो वोट पड़े जब विमेन रिजर्वेशन बिल हो रहा था, 456 वोट पड़े और 454 वोट बिल के फेवर में थे। अपोजिशन ने कहा वोट दिया? वो तो चांद से वोट आए थे, चांद से उतर के मार्स से लोगों ने आए, वो लोग वोट दिए। तो हमको बताया जा रहा है वी आर इन अपोजिशन। अरे हम तो सपोर्ट में,
सपोर्ट में है। तो जिस बिल को आप सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं उसी में डिलिमिटेशन लिखा हुआ है, तारिक खान, उसी में लिखा हुआ है। मैंने आपको पढ़ दिया। चलिए मैं